Hello friends, welcome to tutorial days. In this video I'm going to show you how you can upload images in Spring Boot. In the previous few videos I have demonstrated that how you can do CRUD operation, and in this video first I'm going to show you how you can upload image, and after that I will also show you that how we can upload image as well as we can save the information into the database and fetch and display it. Okay, so let's start step by step. I will show you uh, with the documentation that how you can upload the image from Spring Boot. So let's start. So basically this is the folder structure where you can see we will be doing this project based on this documentation. So now let's do one thing. Open Visual Studio Code and then let's create a new project. I'll close it here, click on this and then create Java project. I will name it as Spring Boot and then Maven project. After this is the current version Java, and I'll name it as my company name is Softec, and then I'll name it as image upload, then jar file, and this is the Java version which I am going to use. So this is 17, and then we need to select few things. For example, Spring DevTools, this one, and Spring Web, these two for the time being I am selecting, and after this, if requirement be, I will add few more. Okay, just click on this, and now I'm going to save this project in my Java frameworks. I will name it as image upload. Image upload. Right, now generate the project. Alright, so now if you go here, click on open here, you can see open, and then trust src main resources. This folder has been created. Inside static folder we will create a folder called uploads. Okay, as per the document you can see here the static folder we will create here uploads, a folder we will generate here. That's it. And the next task will be to create, of course, the controller, and you know the controller is created here inside Java going image upload. So the controller name will be our controller name. We are going to create this one. This has been created automatically, so we don't have to do anything here. This is another application, so let's close it. This is ours. So this one is already created, so we don't have to create this. Now we need to create one folder called controller, and inside controller we will create this file. Which one? Image controller. Okay, image controller, this one we will create here. Now inside image controller you need to write here controller, so that it will understand that okay, this is a controller. Inside this we will write here the code. So before we proceed ahead, first let's write this code into application properties, where resources and then application properties. That means what? We are going to define our upload path, upload directory. We are saying this one. Okay, now this task is completed. The next task will be here to write the code. The next task will be to write this code at the right value and then upload directly, which is fetching from application file just we created there. And now private string upload dir. The next will be here. The next task is to create this get mapping. That means when we will hit the home directory, in that case what will happen? We are creating one here. We are creating one method. Inside that we will have to call this file. Actually, this dependency we need to call import file java. This one is done, and here we need to import model. Actually model, we have to import this one also. So remember, you need to import this one, Spring Framework UI, then it will work. A second, Spring Framework. UI. Yes, now it's fine. So what will happen when we hit the main URL, means home page? In that case, what will happen? It will take the image, and this is our index file, which we will write here inside templates folder here. So let's create one file here, going inside this templates, index.html. Inside this, it will be here. This is the form actually from where we will be uploading image, and after uploading we are displaying the images from here. That's why we have taken these files, and taking this directory we will display the uploaded file, which we have mentioned here. You can see this one. It will list all directories, means from that folder it will list the images, and it will fetch as files the same file we are calling here. This files as file, and then file name we are putting here, right? Now the next one will be to upload the image, so we need to write that method. Now let's create one file called upload.html. This one will be helpful for uploading the image, means selecting the image. This one will be helpful for us, right? So this has been also done. The next task will be to call that upload image file here. So we need to write one method, of course. So the method is get mapping upload. This means this is our URL, and when we will write there upload, in that case what will happen? Return upload. That means what? This HTML file will load. And so let's do one thing. Let's run so far and see what's happening. Alright, to run this code, what we need to do? Let's go here and see what happens. Okay, now let's go to here and localhost 8080. If I hit main URL, in that case it is throwing some error because we don't have any image, that's why, and no static resources. So what I will do, we will check it later. First let's check this one. Here also we are getting this error, upload. The URL is upload, right? This upload. So there is some error here. Circular view path upload will be dispatch में again. View result. So what is the error? Okay, looks like we have missed here in pom.xml theme lib file. So do we have that? No, we don't have now. So inside dependencies we need to add that one also, this theme lib. Now let's try to, I'll stop it and run again this file. Let's run again. So hopefully this time it should work. Now let's refresh. Yes, now it's working. So because of that theme lib not supporting in pom.xml, that jar file was not present in our project, that's why it was not displaying there. Okay, now when you click in the upload, then this one is also working perfectly. Now to handle the upload, we need to add here the code. So far is to display the images, and the next one is to upload this one. But the next one will be when we submit the upload. So what will happen? We need to write that function also. So basically this is the function post mapping. Remember, when you are opening something in browser, then you have to write get mapping with this URL. But this time what we are doing, we are writing post mapping, means when you submit after uploading the image, when you are submitting, in that case. Alright, so when you are submitting, then you need to write post map. And after this is the function simple, and the request parameter params file. This is coming from where? This is coming from here. Okay, request parameter, it's getting from this one. Let's close form.xml, it's not no longer required. It will take the file name, and you can see we have written here multi-part file. There are two important points here. You need to write here multi-part file, and then this is the object. And here in upload also you need to write here enc type multi-part form data. Whenever you are uploading the data, in the previous video I had displayed in the creating a form that how you can submit the data, but in that video there was no concept of uploading the image. Whenever you remember, this is very important. Whenever you are uploading an image or you are uploading any file, in that case it is compulsory to write enc type multi-part form data. That is important. Okay, and here also we are specifying here multi-part file. So next, if file is empty, then it will show error. For example, if user forgot to select the file, in that case it will show error, and after this it will redirect to upload file once again. If everything is fine, in that case what will happen here, it will take the file as byte to byte and store here. And finally in our upload directories, so here this line, it will get the path of the image. That means upload path, the complete path. This one inside static, now we have written. So this path it will get and store here, and we are passing here files dot write, means actual uploading task will be done by this, and we are passing the path and then bytes. That means whatever image bytes has come, and finally the image will be uploaded. After uploading, it will show the message, and it will show the get original name of the file and redirect set attribute. That means it will say that okay, this file has been successfully uploaded, and that's it. If there is any error, in that case it will show here. Okay, so it's not so special. Right, let's come again, and I'll explain this from beginning. This one is for getting the directory, file directory from properties dot this application dot properties. We have written here now src main resources static uploads. So this one, if you want to include in any Java file, in that case you will have to uh, write this line of code. Okay, and finally we are creating just here one variable and get mapping. That means when we will load the index file, in that case what we will do, it will upload here from upload directory. It will take the folder name, and then from that folder it will list all the images, and finally list of files whatever there will be, it will be saved as array, and finally all the list will be stored here, and it will be sent to index.html, and there inside the index.html we will be looping from here. You can see this files as file for which we are running here, and here in the src, that means we are providing here complete. So uploads plus the file name, and then whatever width 100 we have given there, and here it will display the file name also. Next one is upload. So this one is for just loading the form. This one is just for loading the form. Okay, and after loading the form, when we hit submit after selecting the image, then it will go here. But before that, let's see if the image is uploading or not. Alright, so now let's come back here and then refresh it and select an image. Let's select the image from six. We're not getting an image from here, so rather let's select this image is very heavy. No? select this one, then upload. So it says the image has been uploaded successfully. Okay, to verify this, let's go to yes. So guys, you can see this image has been successfully uploaded. So it's very easy and simple. Now let me explain you once again the code. Going into the controller. And what happened actually here? Request to parents multi uh, file part as a file and so where from it let's go from this file. What is the name? Its name is file, right? And then we are getting this file as a request parameters, means whatever the user has submitted from there it will check, right? It's checking whether the image is empty. If there is image is empty, if file is empty, in that case what happens, for example, if you just forgot to select the image, in that case also let's see what happens here. Now let's go back and then if I'm trying to upload image, then what is it? The first thing is we have put it required so it won't demo, but in any case if it bypasses then what will happen? In that case the code has been written here that it will throw error, it will say please select the image. If everything is fine, in that case the image will be in Java. What happens whenever you submit something, it converts into byte, so it will get the file byte by byte, and finally it will be stored in line number 50. You can see it will be stored in this byte as an array, and then from here what we are doing, upload directory. This upload directory we are getting here, as well as the file name, original file name we will get from submission. Once that is now retrieved from there, then actual task is being performed here from files.write, which we are passing here the path, the file, and then bytes. That means whatever bytes we have received from uploading. Finally, once this is done, then of course we are displaying here this success message and original file name. So that's it. Okay, guys. So that's it. This video. I update this document actually based on this. So and I'll put the URL also in the video so that it will be convenient for you guys also to work on that. But yes, this is for just learning that how this works. The actual task I will try to implement this in the previous video. We have worked now in CRUD operation instead of in Revit. In that one, in users one, we will try to implement this so that you can understand that where practically we can use this. Okay, so that's it. In case you have not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. It will take a lot of effort and time to create some video. And of course, you have subscribed, then my notification will also go to you so that whenever I'm uploading the video, it will be helpful for you. So thank you for watching. Bye.